Everyone prepares the basics: food, water, weapons, tactical gear, and flashlights. But in a true SHTF situation, survival may hinge on the lesser-known, overlooked items that most people don't think to stockpile. When society collapses, ingenuity will become just as valuable as the basic tools in your kit. When it comes to actual survival, there will be gaps you won't even realize until it's too late. Here is a list of 50 items to stockpile that can fill a lot of holes in your preps when SHTF, since there are even more uses for each of these items beyond what I've listed. Toothbrushes, useful not just for your dental hygiene, but also for cleaning small, delicate parts. Unused credit cards. These can be repurposed into scrapers, shims, or small tools. Coffee grounds. Natural pest deterrent and deodorizer. Cotton pillowcases. These make breathable storage bags or cut them for makeshift bandages. Fishing bobbers. They're handy for flotation, but they can also show where you've put items in a cold body of water to keep them from spoiling. Old keys. Useful as makeshift tools, or they can be sharpened for weapons. Eyeglass repair kits. The small tools are perfect for fixing delicate gear. Plastic shower curtain liners, lightweight, waterproof, and many other uses. Unused diapers, great for absorbing moisture, cleaning spills, or even as insulation or for medical care. Bubble wrap, insulation for pipes or even emergency bedding. Shoe insoles, improve your comfort during long treks or strenuous activity. Vinyl records. These can be used as makeshift signal reflectors or even insulation. Dental floss is great for sewing, fishing lines, or tying small objects. Mothballs, pest control, or a fire starter. Shower curtain rings. These can be used to create makeshift hanging systems. Steel wool, great for starting fires, cleaning, or makeshift pads. Binder clips, perfect for organizing important documents or sealing bags. Twist ties for quick fixes or securing small items. Pantyhose. These can be used for filtration or improvised rope. Aluminum foil. Cooking, signaling, and insulation. Guitar strings. Makeshift snares or for repairing gear. Silica gel packets. Protect your supplies from moisture. Plastic shopping bags. Emergency insulation, water carriers, or cordage. Unused tennis balls. These can be cut for handles or used to cushion makeshift structures. Rubber bands, versatile for fixing, holding, or organizing things. Old bike tires, used for insulation, tying down gear, or even emergency gaskets. Razor blades, for precision cutting or survival traps. Wooden dowels. These are useful for building traps or as emergency tent poles. Emergency whistles. Small and effective signaling devices. Candle wax for waterproofing or even fire starting. Old phone chargers. The wires can be stripped for cordage or traps. Unopened deodorant. This is useful as a lubricant or even to prevent chafing. Silicone oven mitts. They can handle high heat for cooking or protection. Air fresheners. These can be repurposed as scent masking or as an insect repellent. Parchment paper. Durable, non-stick surface that could aid in food prep or to write on. Unused shoelaces. Strong cordage that can also double as a makeshift tourniquet. Safety pins, emergency repair gear, or makeshift fishing hooks. Rain ponchos, not just for rain, these can be used as emergency shelters or water collectors. Old film canisters. These are perfect for storing small, dry survival items if you can find them. Plastic zip ties. These have endless uses, from securing tarps to repairing gear. Super glue. Repair tools, shoes, or even skin in emergency situations. Unused lipstick. This creates an improvised fire starter or a signaling tool. You can write with it. Small hand mirrors. Of course, these are perfect for signaling or tactical sight lines. Epsom salts. Great for medical use and soothing sore muscles. Unopened tampons and pads. useful for wound care, filtration, and fire starting. Unused glow sticks, long-lasting emergency lighting or for signaling. Shaving cream, lubrication or emergency soap substitute. Dryer lint is, of course, excellent tinder for starting fires. Old rubber garden hoses, makeshift gaskets, straps, or flexible cordage. Expired coupons or gift cards. These can be used as note cards or improvised kindling. In prepping, there is no such thing as too much foresight. While the basics will help you stay alive, it's the items you least expect that will save your life. These 50 overlooked stockpiles ensure that when the worst happens, you'll have more than just the basics on your side. Thinking beyond the standard checklist is the key to surviving and thriving when SHTF.